In today's video, I'm going to show you how to merge two OneNote notebooks in a simple, safe way without risking your notes. If you've got content split across two notebooks and you want everything organized into one place, this method is going to save you a ton of time. And before we jump in, make sure to hit like and subscribe for more easy software tutorials just like this one. Alright, let's get started. First, open Microsoft OneNote and make sure both notebooks are loaded in your sidebar. You want to see the source notebook and the destination notebook available so you can move things between them easily. The source notebook is the one you want to empty, and the destination notebook is the one you want to keep everything in. Now go to the source notebook and look for the first section tab at the top or side, depending on your OneNote layout. Right-click that section tab to open the menu. From the context menu, click Move or Copy. This is the option that lets you transfer content from one notebook to another. A pop-up window will appear showing your available notebooks. Browse through the list and click on the destination notebook where you want the sections to go. Now, this part is important. Click Copy first, not Move. Copying keeps the original section in place as a backup until you confirm everything has synced correctly. That way, if anything goes wrong, you still have your original data you still have your original notes safely stored in the source notebook. After you copy the first section, repeat the same process for every other section in the source notebook. Right-click the section tab, choose Move or Copy, select the destination notebook, and click Copy again. Keep doing this until every section you want has been added to the destination notebook. Depending on how much content you have, this may take a little while, especially if your notebooks contain lots of pages, images, or attachments. Once you've copied all the sections over, give OneNote time to sync everything properly. This is a really important step because you want to make sure the destination notebook has all the data before you clean anything up. After syncing, open the destination notebook and check that all your sections, pages, and notes are there. Scroll through a few pages and confirm that everything looks correct. If everything copied successfully, you can then decide whether you want to keep the source notebook as a backup or remove the extra notebook later. If you're not 100% sure yet, it's always smarter to leave the original in place until you've verified everything. And that's it. You've now merged two OneNote notebooks by copying all the sections into one destination notebook. It's a clean and reliable way to combine your notes without accidentally losing anything. If this tutorial helped, please hit the like button, subscribe for more helpful tech tips, and I'll see you in the next one.